Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have already posted one video. So in that video I have explained about Accenture's document uploading process. That is, I discussed about the task notification mail and I have also discussed about each and every task. So before uploading documents, I request you to watch that video because I have shared many useful tips in that video. So if you have not seen that video, please do watch that. I will be posting the link in the description box, so please do watch that. It will be very useful. So now in this video I am going to tell what will happen after submitting all the tasks. Like I will tell how to accept the offer letter, and also I will discuss about onboarding process. So if you are done with document uploading process, then watch this video till the end because I will be explaining everything. Basically, I'm going to share my friend's onboarding experience. So my friend applied for system and application services role. So I'm going to tell what are all the steps she followed after submitting all the tasks. So without any further delay, let's get started. So basically, after submitting all the tasks, they will take few days to accept all the tasks. So here, as you can see, that all the tasks got approved for my friend. So within few days it got approved. After that, my friend got one mail like this. So basically, with the help of this mail, we are supposed to accept our offer letter. So as you can see that your candidate ID and your unique reference number will be mentioned in this particular mail. Like you will be using this unique reference number while accepting your offer letter. Just have a look on this, and then you will be using your candidate ID whenever you are filling a form. So just keep this in mind. So as I already mentioned, with the help of this mail we will be accepting the offer, but before that some set of steps must be followed in order to accept the offer letter. After following all those steps, we will be getting our offer letter and terms of employment document. So now I am going to discuss about that. You can see one link over here. Just click on this link. Once you click on to this link, then you will be getting one portal like this. Since you're a new user, you're supposed to create your own account. So here you can either use this new candidate button or else click on this login button and then enter your registered email ID, and then click on this forget password button, and then you're supposed to enter your mail to reset your password, and then you will be getting one mail. Just click the link which was mentioned in that mail. So with the help of that mail, you can create your new password and then click on this create password button. Once it is done, then you will get one notification like this. So once it is done, then you can use your registered email ID and the recently created password to log into your account. And then once it is done, then you will be seeing one page like this. Here it's mentioned as congratulations on your offer. Click here to view the details. So just click on that, and then here you will be entering your unique reference ID, your candidate ID, and then your mobile number. So as I already mentioned, your reference number like your unique reference ID and your candidate ID was mentioned in the mail. Just use that. And then once it is done, just click on this authenticate offer letter button, and then you will be getting one OTP. Just enter that OTP here and then just click submit. So after that you will get your offer letter. You can also download the offer letter. So here you can accept your offer letter by clicking on this accept offer button. Again it will be asking for confirmation. You can just click accept. So these are all the steps you need to follow in order to accept the offer. In this portal, you can also find terms of employment document. So download this along with your offer letter. One more important point is that you are supposed to tell your decision within 14 days. That is whether you are accepting the offer or rejecting the offer. After accepting the offer, my friend got one offer acceptance mail like this. So here they have mentioned that we have received your acceptance of the offer extended to you by Accenture Solutions Private Limited, and also they told that they will inform about the date of joining and job location. So after this, within few days, my friend received one more mail like this. Here they explained about their website called Countdown to Accenture. So by clicking this link, we can create our own account in this particular website. So it's very important to create our own account in this website, because in future we will be uploading all our documents in this particular website. Like we will be filling form 11, form F, PF form, and also we'll be uploading some documents. So don't worry, you will get a separate mail. So just click this link and create your account. So after this, within few days, my friend received one more mail like this. So here they have mentioned the date of joining, and then they asked to provide some informations. So by clicking this topo link, we can provide all those information. Here they will be asking some basic informations like your education details, your contact number, and also they will ask us to upload some documents, and then they will be sending one laptop. So for that purpose, they will be asking your address. So try to fill this topo form as soon as possible. And then in this mail, they have also mentioned about this action items page of Countdown to Accenture portal. So in this actions item page, you will be filling many forms like form 11, form F, and PF details, something like that. So don't worry, you will be getting one separate mail with the reference PDF. So with the help of that reference PDF, you will come to know how to fill these forms. So don't worry, anyway I will be posting a separate video for this. So for that, please do subscribe my channel and stay connected. You can also send a reply mail to this stating that you're accepting this offer. After that, my friend received one more mail like this along with declaration document. So already we have downloaded our offer letter and terms of employment document. So with the help of this link, we are supposed to upload these two documents along with the declaration document, like along with the consent form attached in this mail. So just keep this in mind. In the declaration document, you're supposed to mention your date of joining in the date field. So just keep this in mind. And as you can see, these set of documents are available on Countdown to Accenture portal. So please download and retain the copy. As a next step, they also told my friend to send some set of documents through courier. So my friend received one mail like this. So there they mentioned about the list of documents which needs to be sent through courier. And in this mail, they have also attached one zip file which contains these form 11, form 2, and nomination for other benefits documents and all. And along with that, that particular mail contains one reference PDF. So with the help of that reference PDF, you can fill all these forms, and after filling, you can attach all other documents along with this and send it through courier. Like they have already mentioned the list of documents which needs to be sent through courier, right? So you can actually attach all these documents and then send it through courier. Don't worry, as a fresher we will not be knowing how to fill this form 11 and PF form, and then other benefit nomination form and all. So they will be sending one reference PDF. So with the help of that reference PDF, you can fill all these forms. So as I already mentioned, in the actions item page of Countdown to Accenture portal, we will be filling some set of forms like form F, form 11 and all. So at that time you can use your reference PDF. So you might have already got your reference PDF in the previous mail. So with the help of that, you can fill all these forms. And along with that, in this action items page of Countdown to Accenture portal, you will be uploading the photocopy of PAN card and Aadhaar card, something like that. So as you can see, there are 11 actions in this portal. So you need to complete all the 11 actions. So once it is accepted, then you can see that green color tick mark. So after that you can download all these documents and keep it in a separate folder. Sometimes they may also tell us to send these documents, that is this form 11, form F, and this nomination and PF form and all, through mail. So if they send any mail like that, then you are supposed to fill all these documents with the help of this reference PDF, and then just forward it to them. Always use that reference PDF to fill these forms. And then before the date of joining, you will be receiving one mail like this. So here they will ask for your confirmation, like whether you are joining the company or not. And then they will also ask for your confirmation through phone. Before sending laptops, they will be confirming whether you are joining the company or not. Once you have submitted all these documents, you will be receiving your laptop just few days before your joining date. And then you will be receiving some mails related to your training. That is, at first they will be conducting one orientation program. So after that you will be receiving all the training modules, or you will be receiving all the meeting links for training. So this is all about the onboarding process of system and application services associate role. I will post a separate video about action items page of countdown to Accenture portal. Don't worry, anyway you will be getting the reference PDF before filling all those documents. So only by seeing the reference PDF we are supposed to fill these documents. Suppose if they change the onboarding process format, then you will surely receive mail for each and every step. Don't worry, for each and everything they will be sending mail. Just go through the mail properly. You will come to know what has to be done. Basically, I have shared my friends onboarding experience, so this may or may not change, but anyway if they change their process, then they will surely let you know. You will be getting mail for each and everything. So if you have any queries in your onboarding process, please do comment your doubts in the comment box. I will surely help you. I hope this will be very useful to all the candidates. So for more useful videos like this, please do subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.